Okay, here is video number 2, and our objective for this video is I can convert, I guess that's the right word, I can convert fractions, rational numbers in fraction form to decimals. Okay, it's really what I want you to be able to do is convert any rational number that you come across, any ratio of two integers, if you remember the definition, to a decimal. Could be a whole number decimal, but to a decimal. So we're just going to do 3 examples fairly quickly. The first example is -4/1. Is that a rational number? You should be pretty good at identifying these now. Integer, -4, yes. 1, yes. Okay, both are integers, it's a ratio, so yes, it's a rational number. And we want that though in decimal form. Right now it's in fraction form, we want it in decimal form. So we're going to do the division. This is the same thing as -4 divided by 1. -4 divided by 1 is -4. So there is our decimal form of -4/1, of that rational number. Okay, how about 1/2, 1/2? What is our decimal representation of that? Most of us know 1/2 is the same thing as 0.5. Okay, but what if we didn't know that? What if we couldn't remember that? Is there a way for us to do this? And there is, and it's long division, which isn't terribly long for this, but we can still do it that way. Long division, if you need a little refresher in this, talk to me. I'm happy to help you out, help you remember the steps. But for this one, 2 goes into 1, it doesn't, right? 0 times. And because it doesn't, we're going to put a decimal place right there, and go ahead and put a 0 right here. We're really doing 2 into 1, right? 2 into 1.0. But 2 into 10, that is 5 times. And then we get 1 minus 1 is 0, and our decimal is 0.5. Okay, one more that we're going to do is 1/3. Okay, 1/3, if we do this long division, 3 goes into 1, 3 doesn't go into 1, that's 0 times, so we get our decimal, make that a 10. 3 goes into 10, 3 times, okay, 3 times 3 is 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, 3 doesn't go into 1, bring down a 0, 3 goes into 10, 3 times. And you'll notice that we're starting to get a pattern. If we keep doing this, it's going to repeat over and over and over again. It is 0.3 repeating, but we can still do it, right? We can still divide long division and figure it out. And with any rational number, you can do long division and go from your rational number, from your fraction form, to your decimal form. Okay? And someone's knocking at the door, so I guess that'll be the end of that video.